पता चल जाए. Okay, this was an interaction session. So next time, make it sure to take part in such types of sessions. Not only taking part, but active. You must be active. Active means you must give your reaction. You must ask your questions, whatever you want to know. In future, you will meet the people of different fields. I am trying to do it from different places. So try to improve yourselves. And if I speak about yesterday's session, it was very nice because many of you took active part. Many of you asked so many questions again and again. So this way you can remove your agitation, because when you talk some strangers, you open your mind, you become free, and in your life you will have to talk with different type of people. So this is my effort to make you fluent in all the ways. So now what I am saying to you, today I want to have a feedback of yesterday's session. So what did you learn from that session? What was your experience? What did you what new things did you learn yesterday in that interaction? And did you try to remove your agitation? Did you feel it comfortable? And would you like to have such sessions in future classes? So it would be the field of your speaking, today's speaking. Okay. And those who were not here yesterday may listen to others so carefully so that they can have an idea that what they have to speak. So I think you are ready for it. So please start giving your names.
सर
Yes.
सर ये भैया ने पता नहीं मेरा नाम किस किस स्पेलिंग में लिख दिया.
देखो जी, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, इतना कुछ मत लिखा करो तुम, मेरे को बड़ी तकलीफ होती है ढूंढने में एक एक नाम. इस मैसेज बॉक्स को तुम, यू फिल दिस मैसेज बॉक्स विद योर chatting, and
सर
now
ये
I have to search the names of the. This is not fair, yeah, please. So first of all, I am calling, I think, Rakshit. You have the first name in the list. And then I think Harshit. Then Komal, Anuj, Aditya, Gaurav, Lakshmi. Okay. So who? Rakshit, Rohit, and Harsh. Okay, Rakshit, Rohit, and Harsh. Okay, so first of all, I am calling Rakshit. Come on.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit Maurya and today I am giving my feedback of yesterday's class. So as we know that yesterday we had a interaction session with Gati Didi.
An interaction session. थोड़ा focus करो.
Yes, sir. An interaction session with Gati Didi as she is in France and she is studying there. And so by this interaction session, first thing is that as we interacted, we removed our hesitation because we know that when we do speaking, we can do it, but when we do interaction, there comes some hesitation in our words. So to remove this is it is a good way to interact with other people in English to remove the hesitation. And along this we got to know about France, like like about the conditions of France in general. So this is a good thing. And sir, that's it.
Very good. Nice. Nice feedback. Shabash. Keep it up. Short and sweet. Shabash. Yes, now come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav. Today I'm going to tell you about my feedback regarding to yesterday's class. So yesterday we had a conversation with Gati Didi, who is residing in France nowadays, and she has gone there for his educational purpose. For her educational purpose. Yesterday I get to know about many I got to know about many things of France, and I shared my thoughts, and Didi also shared his experiences, her experiences in the last 10 days. Like I got to know the prices of, like I got to know that the France is very expensive country than compared to India, and also the network and food in France is very high. The networks and food prices are very high in France, and that was a good opportunity to improve our skills by conversating with her and by gaining the knowledge of France. That's it, sir.
Nice flow. Keep it up. Just come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today I'm going to share my feedback regarding the last class of arts, in which the Gati Didi, the daughter of our sir, who is residing in France nowadays for educational trip for, and she will reside there for 3 months, and it has been 10 days to her, and she told about everything that she has learned there. We learned a lot of things about France, that how is the nature of the people there, and how the road system works there. What is the prices of the things in France, in aspect to India, in compared to India, and also the currency of there, and many facts about France. And the city in which she is residing is full of metro. So there is no traffic jam, and many other things that we learned, and by which we can, if we apply in our daily lives, then we can do improve our lives, such as the people in France.
Very good. Shabash. Very nice. Nice flow. You are getting nice flow these days. Keep it up. Come on, Rashid.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moore, and today I'm going to give my feedback regarding yesterday's class. So, my feedback with yesterday's class was very good, as I came to know about the France, which is a country and in Europe, where we came to know about that country, about the conditions and about their traffics, road management system, and also the metro connection there. We also came to know about the currency that is in France, and there Gati Didi also communicated with us, which was very important for us, as it make our communication better in English language. Personally, if I will tell it, and then that interaction, according to me, was very good, as I came to know about. I came to know many things about France, which just like Gati Didi told us about the traffic there, about the metro system there, that the metro system in that country connects the whole country, that she may go anywhere wherever she likes to go. And also she told us about the grocery stores there, and the food and the conditions in which we may survive, just like for vegetarians, what we may do. And also she told us about the scammers which are residing in France. So, in my perspective, at last, I would like to say that today's interaction was very good, and we came to know about many things. That's it, sir.
Shabash. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. And now Komal.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Verma, and today I am giving my feedback from to yesterday class. And we all know that yes, in yesterday class we interacted with Gati Didi, and Didi has been gone France for
बीम क्यों आएगा
several days.
बीम क्यों आएगा बेटा थोड़ा सा ध्यान से
Okay, sir. And she uh, ex- she shared experience with us, and she was telling about her experience. She was telling about France country. That is she was telling that France country is very beautiful and clean city, and she was sharing her experience about her food, about her studying, about that city, etc. And we question many from about our thoughts, and
we asked many
that
question ऐसे बोलना था
okay, sir.
कोई बात
And
नहीं
that experience was very good for us because we was
we were
listening that beautiful city, and Gati Didi was very feel good that time, and we also feel very nice and excitementful, etc. And we hope that I hope that uh, I hope that type of conversation and experience we share, we feel next time. That's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड ठीक है थोड़ा सा वर्क फोन पे फोकस करना करो आप है ना और थोड़ा सा फोकस करना करो बाकी बहुत अच्छा है आपका फ्लो बिल्कुल आ चुका है एजिटेशन नहीं है बिल्कुल भी थोड़ा सा ग्रामेटिकल और ठीक करने की कोशिश करो यस कम ऑन अनुज
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today we are talking about the yesterday's session uh, that was being coordinated by Gati Didi, and that was good. And we all had a right, and the session was free, and we all had a right to interact freely with Didi and asked any types of questions to Didi. And Didi told us that how is France, and how what the weather of France is, and how the people of there, how humble they are, how disciplined they are, and what they follow, and and it was good, and many students participated in it, and many could not. And one thing that I liked the most about the session, that was not planned and not scripted. Sir just showed us the photos and videos that sir got from Didi, and he just asked us to interact with her, and we just did it. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड शाबाश बहुत नेचुरली स्पीकिंग आ रही है अभी आई वांट इट ऑलवेज आदित्य थोड़ा सा फोकस
Hello.
करके हाँ
Okay, sir. Hello, I'm Aditya, and today's our topic is about tomorrow interaction. As you know that we interact with Gati Didi, and now she is in France, and we ask so many questions, and he told about us how they how they what things they know there, and how to interact other person, and and they told us that how's
दे
the
क्यों आएगा
metro.
सी नहीं आएगा क्या
She told us about the metro station, and and she say told about the traffic, and the traffic is not much in France, because they told us that uh, any person crosses the road, so the vehicle was stopped that time, and we to cross that people from uh, to the road. And it is very smart thing, and we can follow traffic rules uh, without any traffic signal.
आराम से और अच्छे से थोड़ा सा फोकस करो जरा वर्ड्स पे, अरेंजमेंट पे फोकस करो थोड़ा सा.
and and they told us that they they go
दे क्यों
when
आएगा
they
बेटा, शी नहीं आएगा क्या? क्यों बार बार ऐसी गलती कर रहा है?
when she go went go there
वेंट
university,
गो वेंट, क्या? थोड़ा फोकस करना बेटा, बार बार कह रहा हूँ मैं. फोकस करके क्यों नहीं बोलता है, बोल.
when she go there university. So she told us that first she go to metro station, and after she reach their station, and after she take a bus, and he reach their destination.
देर क्यों आएगा बेटा, हर नहीं आएगा क्या? तू देर कहाँ से घुस गया तेरे दिमाग में? फोकस कर थोड़ा.
and and she told us that it is very hard thing. She can't interact anything uh, with with her friends, which know that which know French language,
विच क्यों
and
आएगा? हु आएगा यहाँ पे? हु नो.
who know uh, who know French language, but she told us so many English person is here. So yes, that's it.
बेटा थोड़ा सेंटेंस को ठीक ढंग से फ्रेम करो, अभी गड़बड़ हो रही है आपकी, है ना? हाँ, अभी मेहनत करो आप, अभी सेंटेंस आपके प्रॉपर ढंग से फ्रेम नहीं हो रहे हैं बेटा. ठीक करो थोड़ा सा इसको, है ना? हाँ, ओके. यस, नाउ आई थिंक देयर इज द नेम ऑफ Gaurav. Gaurav, I think he's not here. Where are you? Yes,
Sir.
Yes, come on. Yes, I got you.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is about the feedback of yesterday's class.
Yes, sir. Sir?
Yes, we are listening.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Yes, sir. So, about today's class, first of all, the experience was very good, and Gati Didi talked with us, and we asked some questions about
आप सीधे
her
बैठो,
trip.
पहले आप लेटे मत रहो. बैठो आप सीधे, बैठ जाओ आप. लेट करके तो बोल रहे हो आप. बैठा करो आप थोड़ा सा क्लास में. लेट के पढ़ाई नहीं होती है. लेट जाते हो आप भी यार, कमाल करते हो यार. अब बोलो.
Yes, sir. So we asked many questions from Didi, Gati Didi, our sir's daughter, and I also asked some weird questions like, is there any aloo lelo, gobi lelo, or and many hilarious questions were asked from Gati Didi by our class. It was just fun, and with the fun, on the other hand, we learned many things new, that what's the discipline of the French people, and how she communicate and how she live there, what's the experience of her, and how he buys something, or what's the system there. So the experience was overall very good, and that's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, but I am not satisfied. You missed a lot of things. So please improve your speaking.
Yes, sir. I know that
Focus on
traffic.
the contents that you must use in your speaking. Not satisfactory. Today's performance. Your today's performance was not satisfactory. Make it okay next time. Yes, come on, Lakshmi. क्लास बैठ
Yes,
के लिया
sir.
करो, लेट के क्लास नहीं ली जाती है. अलर्ट होकर के बैठा करो, थोड़ा सा क्लास के हिसाब से लिया करो. बोलो. Yes, come on, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is yesterday's class, and I could not interact with Didi, but I heard the recording,
Shabash.
and Didi said that this country was very beautiful and cleanness, and she she said that their language and their education system and about their people, and she said that their people has a discipline have yes, sir, have a discipline, and and we and student questioned with Didi that what is the flag color, and Didi also replied, and Didi said that she remembered her mother food, because their food is very expensive, and there many things are expensive, and this country was a very high country, and I see that this in this country the education system is good. I saw in the recorded video, and Didi also told us about their weather, and about the country, and she had gone there to related her education, and this
She has gone there.
yes,
Present
sir.
perfect tense use हो जाएगा यहाँ पर. For her study purpose. Okay, आगे बोलो.
Yes, sir. And she missed her family and her family food, and she said that this country is very very beautiful and cleanest country. That's it,
Clean
sir.
country. Cleanless नहीं, clean country.
Yes, sir. Clean country.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छा, very good. आपने listen किया. This is very nice thing that you listen the recordings. This is very good thing. Shabash, keep it up. Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi. Today I'm telling about the yesterday's class feedback. As you know that the coordinator was Gati Didi, the daughter of Rajesh ji sir, and we interact with her, and she told us
She told us.
she told us
आराम से,
she
धीरे-धीरे,
told
समझ
us
लो. हाँ, हाँ.
she told us the information about the France, and she told us the currency, the climate of the country, and their food, and the flag also. And she also told the what we call hello in the French language, that is bonjour, and she also told that there is a discipline. There is a
ये
discipline.
नहीं आएगा. There is discipline. Discipline is uncountable. कोई बात नहीं. ध्यान रखो. फोकस करो. छोटी-छोटी चीजों पे फोकस करना है, तभी आप मजा आएगा. हाँ.
And I gained the knowledge about the France, and the class and the other classmates
शाबाश, 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 शाबाश. बोलो ज्यादा कोशिश करो.
would ask her some questions, and I listen the answers and questions also, and the session was very interactive and very nice. And she also told us that she misses her. She miss her
हाँ ठीक है, मिसेस
me
सही है.
and India also. And she also told us that the France is very expensive than India. And
More expensive
and
than
their
India. हाँ.
and their and their and their network system is very expensive. And so this was the feedback. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा. Very good. Now Kajal.
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal. Today my topic is yesterday's session. So as we all know that we interacted with Kati Didi, and she said us about France, and she also told us about discipline of France, and she told us many things, like she told us about weather of France, and she told us about traffic system of France, and she also told us about her luxurious classrooms. And Didi said us that France is very safe city.
Country. हाँ हाँ, बोलो बोलो, शाबाश शाबाश.
France is very costly and expensive, and she told us the people of France is very disciplined and are very disciplined. And Didi told us about traffic system, about the traffic system of France. She said us that the people of France are very kind and also very good. And Didi told us about her journey, and she also told us that she was missing her family. And Didi told us that about her study. And uh, yesterday's session was very good and also very nice, and I like yesterday's session. And we should have these types of sessions, and also we should get knowledge about many about things, and we should also take part in these sessions. And that's it, sir.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, very nice. खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone, and good evening to all of you. I'm Khushi Gujar. I'm telling about yesterday's class. I couldn't take yesterday's class, but also I heard the recordings class, and all student interacted with Gati Didi. So I heard she is studying in a France, and she told us many things, like she told us that many students come there for their study and other reason
Very good. हाँ.
in from different types of countries. And she told us about language, France language, and discipline
Discipline.
and discipline and
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, धीरे धीरे सीखो.
about traffic rules, and she told us many things like like missing India's food, and miss and missing her family, and 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 that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया.
But
Yes.
but I feel very sad about missing yesterday's class.
We will arrange next time also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There would be sessions, repeatedly sessions in our classes. So
Yes, sir.
I felt it that yes, really it is very interesting. Yesterday I enjoyed very much yesterday's session, though I was silent, but I listened all the things, and the important thing is that the way you took part, the way all our students took part, asking the questions again and again and getting the knowledge, and that the environment was very nice in yesterday's class. So I liked it so much, and I found it that it is very useful to improve, to remove your agitation and to improve your listening, or so there are many things when we interact with others. So no problem, next time get it. Okay, so now I am calling Vipin. Come on, Vipin.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic name is feedback of yesterday class. So you know that yesterday class we asked, we interact with Gati Didi.
इसका ध्यान रखो, थोड़ा सा फोकस करो, थोड़ा सा अभी से. हाँ, you interacted. धीरे धीरे बोलो, तसल्ली से बोलो, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस बोलो, सोच सोच के बोलो. हाँ.
Yes, sir. We asked many questions with Gati Didi,
From Gati Didi. हाँ.
but I do not ask.
I did not. या did not बोलो. हाँ.
I could not ask the questions with Gati.
Ask ही आएगा, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ही आएगी कुड के बाद में. I could not ask. फोकस करो मेरी. हाँ बोलो.
Ask a question with Gati Didi.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोलो, कोशिश करो.
सर डरना को क्या बोलेंगे?
Afraid. I was afraid.
Because I was afraid. Gati Didi told us about traffic system of France.
शाबाश, ऐसे धीरे धीरे फोकस कर करके बोलो. वेरी गुड, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस. शाबाश.
Weather of France, building color, and rate of room.
शाबाश शाबाश, फोकस करो बस. आप बनाओ सेंटेंसेस और बोलो. यही तो करना है, और करना ही क्या है. यस.
Gati Didi told us that the France is very beautiful city and clean city.
City is country. France is a country. Okay. शाबाश शाबाश, धीरे धीरे बोलो, तसल्ली से छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना बना के.
And metro system. That's it, sir.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की है तुमने, और आगे से और अच्छे से कोशिश करनी है, ठीक है ना. और नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको पार्टिसिपेट करना है, इंटरेक्ट करना है आपको. यस, विपिन के बाद में अंजलि.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is yesterday interaction with Gati Didi. So yesterday was a good interaction with Gati Didi, and we all asked so many questions, funny questions,
धीरे धीरे बोलो, तसल्ली से.
and she answered.
शाबाश शाबाश, ऐसे धीरे धीरे छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस फोकस करके वो बोलो, आराम से ध्यान करो पूरा। हाँ,
She tells us about
tells me,
scams.
told us.
She told us about scams, metro system, grocery, and how the people of France are kind. There are no traffic lights because the people are so kind. When
Discipline.
people do zebra crossing, the car or the car driver automatically stop the car and
शाबाश।
wait to cross wait to cross the person from the road, and when they go, so because there are no traffic lights, and she tells us where she is living. When she is doing something wrong in kitchen, the house owner put a slip, stick a slip, and write on it, do not do that, slip,
शाबाश,
do it,
very
please
good,
do it.
very good,
So
very good, nice speaking beta,
so
शाबाश।
this is a traditional way of this is a traditional way of so, interact with other people, and she tells us the words she learned from the 10 days, like bonjour, mercy, and she also tells us
Told.
about
टोल्ड बेटा, टेंस का ध्यान रखा कर।
she told us a tradition of France that if we went to a grocery shop, we always say bonjour. This is I think so. It is hello, good morning, hi.
वेरी गुड,
She
शाबाश,
tells
बहुत
us,
बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे बेटा। हाँ,
and she tells us the prices in this their prices of things are very expensive in
हाई
Indian
हाई हाई।
rupees.
हाँ हाँ, बोलो बोलो, शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश।
Indian rupees.
हाँ,
And there are everything is non-vegetarian, so she go to grocery store and take something and make it to and she eat it. I think so she learned cooking.
she knows, she knows.
I don't know.
You are little, you are small, you are smaller, but
Yes.
later on you will also learn.
And
Yes,
there are internet also expensive because the people who earn the सर ऐसे कैसे बोलेंगे, वो इतना ही कमाते हैं.
they earn, they only earn to
They only
earn, they have
they
meager
only
income, आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हो, they have not enough income, ऐसे भी कह सकते हो आप,
have
they only
enough
earn for their yes
income.
needs। हाँ, yes, ऐसे भी कह सकते हो, बोलो आगे बोलो।
enough income to pay it. So, and she tells us this is a very high, this is an expensive country, kindly country, and she is planning to go on Paris to on her birthday.
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है, शाबाश। ये ले यार, आज तो तेरे को मेरा मन कर रहा है, ये ले, लव यू मेरा बच्चा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है।
Thank you, sir.
शाबाश।
And she lives with her friends, 3 friends that come from India to France, and she tells us the classrooms of college are very good. The college is very nice, luxurious, and the teachers are talking in Hindi, not in French.
In Hindi or in English?
English. English, so she can understand it. The classrooms are luxuries, and she liked it.
Hmm.
The I don't know what she is doing.
Hmm.
She study. I
Hmm.
do not know. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह यार, मजा आ गया आज तो। शाबाश, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस है आज का, शाबाश, वेरी गुड बेटा,
Thank you,
शाबाश
sir.
बेटा, आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी। यस, कम ऑन सिमरन।
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. And today I'm telling about yes, sir. And today I'm telling about yesterday's session. But I couldn't take that session, and so I'm trying according to listening this session.
Hmm.
So yesterday Munmun Didi told a lot of about France. She told about France persons. The France persons are very disciplined, and uh, she told about uh, the traffic rules. Uh, the France person follow traffic rules without traffic signals, and
शाबाश, बहुत धीरे धीरे, थोड़ा सा बोलिएगा,
she
आराम से, कोई जल्दी नहीं है बेटा। हाँ, फोकस करके बोलो। हाँ,
and she told about the kindness of France people,
हाँ, शाबाश।
and she told what uh, what is the system of France, and there about his about her college, and uh, she told she miss her family, and Indian foods,
शाबाश शाबाश।
and
हम्म,
she told their network uh, their network was very um, uh, their network was very expensive.
नेटवर्क में नेट, देयर डाटा इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव देयर, ऐसे बोलो आप, डाटा, डाटा ही बोलते हैं उसको,
Okay,
नेट इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव,
their
नेट
data
डाटा इज वेरी
is
एक्सपेंसिव। हाँ,
very expensive,
शाबाश शाबाश।
and
हम्म,
um, she live there with is with her friends, and
हम्म,
she she went there purpose of
फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ, प्रीपोजिशन लगा देना,
purpose of study.
फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ स्टडी, या फॉर स्टडी, ऐसे भी कह सकते हो आप, है ना बेटा, प्रीपोजिशन लगा हुआ है। हाँ, बोलो।
Okay, sir.
हम्म,
And uh, I missed uh, yesterday's session,
हम्म,
so that's it, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। ऐसे बोला करो तसल्ली से, धीरे धीरे, है ना बेटा, हड़बड़ाहट करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है, तो आप अच्छे से सेंटेंसेस को फ्रेम कर पाएंगे। आई थिंक ऑल हैव डन। प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरास।